Hi everybody, welcome to American Democracy and Citizenship. My name is Dr. Orff and I'll be your instructor this semester. Excuse me. I apologize for the delay in getting this out, but I did want to provide you with just a short video on the course and making sure that you understood everything. You could find all the necessary information. So as you can see, this is the announcements page. You can already see I posted your pre-test here, and every time I'll try to make an announcement each week on Mondays. Always going to highlight the week and what we're going to be doing during that week. Under faculty information, you can see my contact information here. I am located in Livebuyer 206. If you need to make an appointment with me, you can always give me a call or shoot me an email. I'll be happy to talk with you. And also just some short tips on how to be a successful student online class. Basically, it's this: check in every day and don't get behind. If you get behind, it's very hard to catch up. So make sure you work ahead when possible and always stay on top of things. Under syllabus course information, you can see the syllabus here. I've also provided a course calendar and also public affairs assignment. And so I want to go through a couple of these just real quickly. Syllabus here is just a standard syllabus for the course objectives, the textbook, what you'll be doing throughout the course, attendance and participation, makeup work like policy, things of that nature. And I'll let you guys look at that as you can. I did want to go over your public affairs assignment. This is your major project for the semester. It is worth 40 points, but you can earn an additional 30 points. And basically what the assignment asks you to do is to write up short essays, 1 to 2 pages, on different things you've done during this course this semester to be engaged or to provide service to the community. It can be registering to vote, it can be participating or attending a public forum, it can be participating in a community or university organization, it can be participating in a service activity, it could be individual acts of helpfulness, it could be completing faculty evaluations, it could be using tutoring. Any of these things will work. You can see the instructions here. To receive points, again, you write a 1 or 2 page essay on each of these talking about them. If you go to tutoring, you just need to let me know so I can check. If you complete faculty evaluations, you can just take a screenshot that says evaluations are completed and send that to me. When is this due? Whenever you get them done. But I need everything turned in by May the 4th. And how I want you to do that is you're going to compile everything into one document and upload it to Blackboard in your weekly folders tab, which you'll have access to. That's the major assignment. Please look over it, make sure you understand everything, and that there are no questions or issues that you might have. Also, in the syllabus course information, you can see the course calendar. This lays everything out to you, what you'll be doing throughout the course of the semester, so take a look at that as well. Weekly music assignments, the first 3 weeks are posted. And you can go in and see that you have learning outcomes, a chapter 1 summary, a PowerPoint, a video discussion, and a pretest for this week. And then each week will be a little bit different. You can access the discussion boards through here, or also by clicking on discussion board. You can access the discussion board here as well. You can always check on your grades by clicking on My Grades, and then you can email me by clicking on Email the Instructor. That's just a very short overview of the class. If you have any questions or any concerns, please let me know. Give me a phone call, shoot me an email. I'll respond to you in a timely fashion. Look forward to talking to you each of you this semester. Hope you have a great week and a great semester. Have a good day.